Hello guys, welcome to Tutorials for YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to create a volume and attach that volume to EC2 instance. So let's start. Go to instances. So this is my instance. First I will check how much space it has. So I will copy public IP address, go to my workstem, session SSH, paste the public IP address, advanced SSH settings, use private key, add private key and OK. Login with EC2-user. Now I will become root by command sudo su- to check the space, how much space is there with to check how much space is there to check how much space present in EC2 instance, there is a command lsblk. So you can see that as of now there is 10 GB. So go back to AWS console. Now go to copy the instance ID, go to volumes, create a volume, give it a size. I'm giving 150 GB. Select availability zone. This should be same as EC2 instance availability zone, and create a volume. Close. You can see that this volume which we have created just now, this volume is now available. Let's attach this volume to EC2 instance. So click actions, go to attach volume and paste the instance ID and attach. Now you can see that the state of the volume is in use. So now let's go and check from here whether it is attached or not. So you can see that there is a new volume of 150 GB. So like this we attach a volume to the instance. That's it in this video. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching.